कल और आज में क्या रिस्पॉन्स रहा
Hi, my name is Sheikh Hosni Mubarak, and I represent Rapido, and especially I take care of customer experience. I work as the director for customer experience for Rapido.
और रैपिडो के बारे में क्या बोलेंगे? रैपिडो आजकल हर एक बंदा यूज़ कर रहा है तो
Yes, actually we are trying to solve a problem, the last mile commute problem. In fact, the mobility as a source. We make the bike taxi as a mainstream mobility where people can do the last mile travel or intercity quick travel, as well as auto and bike taxi and the cab as well. So we are even into e-rickshaw, connecting the small fleet where those places where there is no connectivity, even though we are there. Yeah.
मोबिलिटी के अंदर आपने कुछ ऐसा नया प्रोडक्ट कुछ लॉन्च किया है, कोई स्कीम लॉन्च की है, कुछ लॉन्च किया है?
So in mobility, right now we make that how it was working with the new SaaS model we have launched, where the captains are with a zero commission platform we have offered them. So it's a very beneficial for the captains. They are earning the 100% of it, okay, through our platform in a auto and cab services.
इन लास्ट
Yeah.
हमारे व्यूअर्स या
Also, apart from that, we've recently launched AutoPet also, wherein, like, for example, autos and everything. I mean, it was very difficult for people to carry their pets along. So cabs weren't allowed, autos weren't allowed. So recently in Bangalore only we launched AutoPet. Apart from that, we have Bike Pick in Chennai, wherein we have women drivers driving the bikes, and it has had a lot of traction in the past 3-4 months, I suppose. And भारत मोबिलिटी का इस बार का हमारा थीम था एक्सपेंशन 500 मोर सिटीज़. सो दिस इज़ आवर थीम. रैपिडो जस्ट completed around 10 years. So that is why this Bharat Mobility was a very important platform for us to actually tell people that how Rapido is expanding at an exponential rate lately.
थैंक यू. हमारे व्यूवर्स को क्या कहना चाहेंगे आप जो आपको देख रहे हैं उनसे आप क्या बोलना चाहेंगे?
Okay, basically, Rapido, what we had to do, wanted to do is create an impact with a sustainable model and making lot of job opportunities. Okay, and that's the idea. So join with us with this the mission. So the mission we are carrying forward is India moves with Rapido.